Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to discuss about the introduction to prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Cells were mainly classified into two types based on the nucleus and covering membranes. They are prokaryotes, eukaryotes. Cells is a basic unit of life. It is classified into two types based on the nucleus and the covering membranes, whether the nucleus is present or the nuclear envelope is present or not. Based on that, the cells were classified into two types. They are prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes is the primitive organisms or primitive ones. Eukaryotes is the advanced ones. Prokaryotic cell are bacteria and archaebacteria or comes under the prokaryotes, which does not having the nucleus. Archaebacteria is the ancient bacteria, so the prokaryotes are also called as a primitive ones because archaebacteria comes under the prokaryotic cells. Next one, eukaryotic cells. Plants, animals, protists, fungi and all higher organisms, including a human being, all comes under the eukaryotic cells. They are having the true nucleus and have a nuclear envelope, that is nuclear membrane. Here you can see the main differences between the prokaryotes versus eukaryotic cells. The first diagram representing the prokaryotic cell, which is having the flagella. Flagella is present in prokaryotic cells and the true nucleus is absent, or nucleus is absent and nuclear envelope is also absent. But the nucleoid material is present in a cytoplasm. Here see, the nucleoid material is naked or present in the cytoplasm, which are having the less amounts when compared to the eukaryotic cells. And the prokaryotic cells are having the ribosomes, which is 78 type of ribosomes, and all the organelles are absent in prokaryotic cells, while all other organelles are present in the eukaryotic cells. Next one, the flagella or cilia is present in prokaryotic cells while absent in the eukaryotic cells. Next one, here second diagram representing the eukaryotic cells, which are having the almost all the organelles including nucleus and all have that organelles having the nuclear membranes. Here they are having ribosomes, that is 80s type of ribosomes, and it's having a nucleus and nucleolus, which is present inside the nucleus, and the nuclear envelope is also present while it is absent in the prokaryotic cell. Next one, mitochondria is present, which are the powerhouse of the cell, which provides an energy storing system. In prokaryotic cells, the mitochondria is absent. Instead of mitochondria, they are present, they are having a mesosomes in the prokaryotic cells, while eukaryotic cells have a mitochondria and Golgi apparatus, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, plasma membrane. Those are the organelles which is present in the eukaryotic cell with a enclosed envelope. DNA is also present in the eukaryotic cells, which is present inside the nucleus. Whether in prokaryotic cells, the nucleoid material is which is present in the cytoplasm. These are the major main differences between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Here in prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, ribosomes are in common, but in eukaryotic cells ribosomes have a envelope, but in the prokaryotic cells, it does not have any envelope. Let us see what is meant by prokaryotic cells. If a prokaryote is a cellular organism that lacks an envelope or enclosed nucleus. It is a cellular organism which lacks a cellular envelope, that is, any cellular envelope. For example, nucleus. Nucleus is not present in prokaryotic cells. At the same time, the nuclear membrane is also absent in the prokaryotic cells. The word prokaryote comes from the Greek language. Prokaryotes are classified within the empire of Prokaryota. Prokaryotes are classified within the empire of Prokaryota. Here some of examples which comes under the prokaryotic cell. Examples: blue-green algae, bacteria, and mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is also comes under the prokaryotes because it does not have any nucleus or it does not have any nuclear envelope. Bacteria and blue-green algae also comes under the prokaryotic cells. These organisms are primitive ones. Among prokaryotes, bacteria are the most common and multiply very fast. Among the prokaryotes, the bacteria, which is a primitive organisms which we cannot see with our naked eye, are the most common organisms and it multiplies very fast when compared to the other prokaryotic examples. They are single-celled and range in size from 0.2 to 10 microns. These are the bacteria for the single-celled organisms which are having in size from 0.2 to 10 microns, about 10 times smaller than the most plant and animal cells. Those bacteria cells are 10 times smaller than the plants and animals. Let us assume how the prokaryotic cells are smaller than the eukaryotic cells in size. So it is called as a primitive ones because it does not well-designed organelles are present in prokaryotic cells. In eukaryotic cells, well-defined organelles are present, are large in size, so it called as a advanced ones. Including human beings are also comes under the eukaryotic cells because the human body is entirely made up of number of cells and we are having the nucleus and also we have the genetic material DNA which is present inside the nucleus and we are having the so many organelles which are bounding by a respective membranes and we are having mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, so we are comes under the eukaryotic cells. The prokaryotic cells is 10 times smaller than the plants and animals or eukaryotic cells. Next one, eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotes are organisms whose cells have a nucleus enclosed within a nuclear envelope. Eukaryotes are the multicellular organisms which are having a well-defined nucleus and nuclear envelope, that means nucleus membrane. Eukaryotes belong to the domain eukaryotes or eukarya. Whether the prokaryote belong to prokaryota and eukaryotic cells belong to the domain eukaryote or eukarya. The word eukaryotes comes from Greek language. Prokaryotes are also comes from Greek language. The both two words prokaryotes and eukaryotes are comes under the Greek language. Here some of examples. Animals such as cats and dogs have eukaryotic cells. Animals such as dogs, cats are also comes under the eukaryotic examples, and plants such as apple tree have a eukaryotic cells. Not only a apple tree, Almost all the plants comes under the eukaryotic cells, which are made up of a number of cells. Fungi such as mushrooms are also comes under the eukaryotic cells. Protists such as amoeba and paramecium, those are the organisms which are also having the eukaryotic cells. Humans are entirely composed of eukaryotic cells. Humans are also made up of so many cells which also comes under the eukaryotic cells. We are the advanced organisms, so eukaryotic cells is also a advanced one, and a prokaryotic cells is a primitive ones or ancient ones. Let us see some more major differences between the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. First column represents characters, next one prokaryotic cell, next one eukaryotic cells. First of all, see meaning. Pro means primitive or ancient one. Karyotic means nucleus. Pro means primitive ones. Karyotic means nucleus. U means true. Karyotic means nucleus. Next one, cell size. The prokaryotic cell is very small when compared to the eukaryotic cells, that is 10 times smaller than the eukaryotic cells. It is 0.5 microns to 5 microns, it is a primitive one. Large 5 microns to 20 microns, it is a advanced one, eukaryotic cells. Next one, cell wall. The cell wall is made up of murein, peptidoglycan and some amino acids in prokaryotic cells. While in eukaryotic cells, the plant cell wall is made up of cellulose, and the animals cell wall is absent. It's a major point. In animals, the cell wall is absent, and in fungi, the cell wall is made up of chitin. Next one, cell membrane thickness. In prokaryotic cells, it is 40 angstroms to 50 angstroms. In eukaryotic cells, 75 angstroms to 100 angstroms. Mesosomes. Mesosomes are the energy providing cells which is only present in the prokaryotic cell while it is absent in the eukaryotic cell. Instead of mesosomes, in eukaryotic cells, mitochondria is present, which is acting as a powerhouse of the cell or energy providing system. Mesosomes are present in prokaryotic cells while mesosomes are absent in eukaryotic cells. In the place of mesosomes, mitochondria is present in eukaryotic cells. Nucleolus. Nucleolus is absent. Nucleus and nucleolus is absent in prokaryotic cells while the nucleolus is present in eukaryotic cells, which is present inside the nucleus. Next one, nucleus. Well-organized nucleus is absent in prokaryotic cells. Nuclear membrane is also absent in prokaryotic cells. In eukaryotic cells, well-defined nucleus bounded by a nuclear membrane. In eukaryotic cell, the nucleus is well developed, so eukaryotic cell is called as an advanced one and which is having or which is bounded by a nuclear membrane. Next one, respiratory enzymes. Respiratory enzymes are present in mesosomes in prokaryotic cells, while the respiratory enzymes are present in mitochondria in eukaryotic cells. Next one, membrane-bounded organelles. The membrane-bounded organelles are absent in prokaryotic cells. Whether the ribosomes is present in prokaryotic cells, it lacks the membrane-bounded organelles. Only the ribosomes is present. But in eukaryotic cells, all membrane-bounded organelles are present, such as endoplasmic reticulum have the membrane bonds, and mitochondria, ribosomes, lysosomes are all having the membrane-bounded or are all the membrane-bounded organelles. Next one, ribosomes. In prokaryotic cells, 70S type of ribosomes are present. In eukaryotic cells, 80S type of ribosomes are present. Histone proteins. Histone proteins or your basic proteins, these are the proteins which are bounded or enveloped or wrapped by the DNA, which is entirely absent in prokaryotic cells and it is present in eukaryotic cells, like H1 proteins, H2 proteins, H1A proteins, H2B proteins. These are the histone proteins which are present in the eukaryotes, which is absent in the prokaryotic cells. Type of division. The amitosis. Amitosis is a division which occurs in the prokaryotic cells. Amitosis is a division the entirely cell, or it is a binary division. It is also called as karyotypic division. The entire parent cell is divided into or split into two baby ones. That baby ones can develop as an individual. Those division is called as amitosis. Without forming any spindle formation or without involving any chromosomes, they undergo amitosis division. In eukaryotic cells, mitosis and meiosis division will occur. Next one, vacuoles. Vacuoles are the large reservoirs which are helpful for the storing of food or storing of waste materials. It is absent in prokaryotic cells and it is present in eukaryotic cells. Next one, DNA. DNA is scattered in the cytoplasm in less in quantity. DNA is present but it is scattered in the cytoplasm which is having a less amount. In eukaryotic cells, the nucleus is well defined, so DNA is present inside the nucleus and more in quantity. In eukaryotic cells, the nucleus is present and they are having a nuclear envelope. Inside the nucleus, nucleolus is also present, and inside the nucleus, DNA is also present and having a more in quantity. Next one, genetic recombination and sexual reproduction. Genetic recombination is present but true sexual reproduction is absent. In the prokaryotic cell, the parent one is split into a two ones, which here they are having the genetic recombination, but true sexual reproduction is absent in prokaryotic cells, while true sexual reproduction is present in eukaryotic cells. Next one, flagella and cilia. Flagella is 0+1 arrangement of microtubules is present. Here 9+1 arrangement of microtubules are present in eukaryotic cells. Spindle fibers. In prokaryotic cells undergo amitosis division, so there is no involvement of the spindle fiber formation in prokaryotic cells, while in eukaryotic cells the spindle fiber formation occurs. Next one, chromosomes. In prokaryotic cells, the chromosomes are in single chromosomes. They are having a single chromosomes. So it is unicellular organisms or cellular organisms. In eukaryotic cells, they are having a multiple chromosomes. For example, humans are having a 12 pairs of chromosomes. They are having multiple set of chromosomes. 12 pairs of chromosomes. That is 24 chromosomes. Next one, nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is entirely or closely present in prokaryotic cells, while it is absent in the eukaryotic cells. The nitrogen fixation examples like bacteria, blue-green algae are those of organisms which are comes under the prokaryotic cells. They perform the nitrogen fixation process. Okay, thank you.